Hi, it's Christina Nichols with NicholsGPS. Welcome to this week's What's on the Whiteboard. I'm so glad that you're here today. So today it is the beginning of the final countdown, like for real. It is the end of the calendar year. And if you're not feeling the heat, you should be, because calendar year end is nuts for nonprofits, right? So in the next 6 to 8 weeks, we have the end of the calendar year. We have Giving Tuesday. We usually, depending upon where you live, you have a statewide giving day. You have loads of other opportunities to give to different places, and you have a holiday stuff to do. So this time of year is insane. So here are a couple of things that I suggest to keep your wits about you during calendar year end. So number one, plan it out. Seriously. Take an hour, whatever kind of time you can carve out. It is worth putting a plan in place, putting a what, who, and when on your calendar so that you know what is hitting when. Don't just fly by the seat of your pants at this point in the year. This is clutch. This is going to make your numbers soar at the end of the year if you just put a plan in place and execute it. So plan it. Make sure you have people in place. So not just people for a staff for execution of your projects, but also people to feature in your pieces that you're sending out at the calendar year end. So the other is that potentially you may need to hire somebody. So get some help. Outsource. Find somebody like me. There are lots of us out here. I like to think I'm super special, but let's be honest. The things that I do for my clients are, I think, pretty great, but there are lots of people who do it. So go find somebody who's like me, or come to me and let us help you with the end of the year, calendar year end messaging, appeals, the appearance, the timing, all of that. You can kind of take the burden off. So, and then the end of it all, just take a deep breath. That's kind of crooked, but anyway, take a deep breath. The world's not going to end. If something falls through, if something doesn't happen just the way you want it to, the world is not going to end. Yeah, you may not have the same numbers that you wanted. You may not have the reach that you wanted, but the world's not going to end. And you, being the smart cookie that you are, will find a way to make it up and find your way around whatever hurdles you encounter. So thanks so much for watching this week's What's on the Whiteboard. I'm really glad that you've watched. And good luck with the rest of the calendar year end pieces that you're doing and whatever kind of strategy and messaging that you're doing. I'm excited to see what's happening out there in the world of philanthropy in the next few weeks. See you next week. Bye-bye.